What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to go over today the NAS trade that we had right near market open. Was actually able to catch a 1 to 3, and so I want to put this in replay mode and really bag up how we caught this trade. And I'll start at our usual spot, 8 a.m. So as you guys know on this channel, the things I like to do, was my strategy, is I like to mark the sell side liquidity for the day and the buy side liquidity. So those are usually just the high and low of each day. So I'll start off, lows were made about around 1:40 a.m. and then the high, I usually stop it off at 8 a.m. So the high was at this point right here at 7:04. And so the only thing I'm looking for is either sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity to be taken. And so as we watch this unfold, we got our break above right here on our buy side. And now I'm just looking for price to trade above. And then as it trades above, I'm just going to look for a displacement leg that creates a fair value gap. And one thing I want to mention is that now I only take trades past the 930 point unless they set up real nice. But for now, as NAS has been moving insane with insane moves up, insane moves down, I think I'm only going to start entering trades past 930 after the market opens. That way I can catch most of that volatility and it'll keep me from getting stopped out. Keep trading higher. So at the 930 open, one thing that we get here is actually a breakdown, which I wasn't on the charts then. I'm trying to get in like right near 930 so I can see what's going on. And so the first thing I noticed would be this huge break right here. And so the next thing I'll be looking for would be a break below this point that creates a fair value gap. So as we get around this point right here, we've got our break. And so what I'll be looking for is after this break, there's such a huge fair value gap that I'll be looking for the 0.5 to 0.618 retracement zone for an entry. And we got our entry, I think it's at 945. Yep, we got our entry right here at 945. Stops are going to be placed above the highs. And at this point, we're at 1 to 1R, so I always move my stop loss down right here to break even. And I let the trade play out. And we hit our take profit pretty quickly. At 10:03, we got in at 9:45, so 18 minutes. So it was hit pretty quickly, which is what I'm seeing in my data, is if we are in the right direction and we're with momentum, take profit usually gets hit rather quickly, a lot of times in between 10 to 15 minutes. This one took 18, but it was a pretty solid trade all the way around. And now we're just done for the day, and we did pass our first phase of the 200K account, but we are in a good bit of drawdown on the second phase because I was letting FOMO get a hold of me last couple of days with the way NAS is moving up. I was going a little bit away from my strategy and was trying to trade with the momentum and just buying whenever I see a new high made and a pullback, and that really got me into a lot of trouble. But this 1 to 3 right here helps get us back a little bit, so we're going to keep fighting, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. But I appreciate you watching.